This video introduces you to a Bingding wood kiln. It's located in the village 1 hour's drive from Jingdezhen, China. It's hidden deep in the mountains, leaning on the back of the mountains with a stream in front, surrounded by bamboo forests. A very quiet place. In the past, people used pine wood as fuel to fire ceramics, and it was called Firewood kilns. In April 2019, Bingding Firewood Kiln was open to the public and free to visit. As a result, the 3-year epidemic has resulted in very few tourists. But starting in the spring of 2023, the Bingding Firewood Kiln attracted the attention and interest of many tourists. Let me explain the origin of the name Bingding Firewood Kiln. The name Bing represents the young fire that's as hot as the sun, and the Ding represents the yin fire that's gentle and restrained like the moonlight. When Bing fire and Ding fire merge, it is the harmony of the yin and the yang, just as the two need to complement each other to make exquisite porcelains. You may ask who is the owner of the Bingding Firewood Kiln. The mistress of the firewood kiln is Huang Mei and Huang Mei's husband, Lao Yu. They are both natives of Jingdezhen. Huang Mei was born in a ceramic family. Her father was honored as the master of Chinese arts and crafts, and a legend of contemporary blue and white porcelain. In 2010, the couple quitted their job in Xiamen and returned to their hometown, Jingdezhen, and devote themselves to ceramic production. Lao Yu did not get involved in the field of ceramics before, but after returning to Jingdezhen, he began to learn kiln firing from an 80-year-old ceramic master, and then learned traditional kiln construction techniques. So Lao Yu becomes proficient in both kiln firing and kiln construction, which are very rare in the contemporary China now. Let me introduce you to the Bingding wood kiln architecture designer. His name is Zhang Lei. In November 2016, the architecture designer Zhang Lei met the couple, Huang Mei and her husband Lao Yu. They felt like old friends at first sight. They were familiar with the kiln firing process and want to build one traditional wood kilns of their own. They expect a modern concrete building with construction of the Chinese firewood kiln. They plan the area to be around 1,800 square meters. They like the shape of the building to be a unique concrete house, hoping it to be more creative than the Japanese architect Tado Ando. They requested that the entire building not to use a single wall bolt. Their expectation is the appearance would not only show Chinese elegance, but also have the sense of modernity and a strong sense of ritual. The architect Zhang Lei spent more than 2 years on the design and construction process. Bingding wood kiln successfully fired for the first time. In April 2019, the Bingding wood kiln was completed. The firewood kiln lighting ceremony began. The first kiln was fully ignited on April 29, 2019. One full kiln has a capacity of more than 2,000 pieces of porcelains. The first kiln firing was a comprehensive test of the kiln. Compared with the large-scale gas kiln products that are currently popular now, wood kiln firing relies entirely on the manual observation of the temperature and heat, and then adding firewood. Not only the cost of manpower and material resources invested in high, but the yield of parsley is also difficult to control. 1 week later, the kiln was opened. Many high-quality porcelains were fired, with delicate bones, rich glaze, and subtle color. The previous nervousness turned into excitement. To give you an idea, it takes more than half a year to complete the kiln 4 at one time, because the Bingding wood kiln has a large kiln capacity and requires a long time to prepare before firing. It can only be fired once or twice a year. The Bingding wood kiln is divided into two main parts functions: the kiln and its external building. The kiln was designed and built under control by Lao Yu. The architect Zhang Lei was responsible for designing the external kiln building. The building covers 5 acres with a total area of 1,800 square meters, including a basement for storage, as well as the main above-ground workspace. The heart of the entire building is a handmade kiln. This kiln did not imitate other people's templates. It was built using traditional handmade methods in a minimalist style, using simple materials, concrete, and red bricks. Materials, structure, and space merge into each other to create holistic space. Bingding wood kiln has 2 functions: production and touring. The production area is laid out around the kiln on the ground floor. There is a big space in front of the kiln, which is used to various pre-kiln activities, including loading and lighting the kiln, as well as place to storing kiln furniture and a place for kiln workers to rest during the long firing process. The touring area is mainly located on the 2nd floor, where you can see the kiln firing process. Walking along the pedestrian corridor, you will see the entire kiln house and the kiln in the center. A slender skylight is opened along the central axis of the roof, allowing sunlight to continuously change with the position of the sun throughout the day, projecting onto the kiln and the ground, adding a sacred atmosphere to the entire building. Under the arches of the concrete walls on both sides, sparse lattice window openings are built with bricks. This is thinner than the traditional brick, and the window openings are narrower and longer. In this way, large areas of sunlight do not enter directly through the side windows, which highlights the light leaking through the thin roof windows and strengthens the sense of the central axis. The moderate light and shadow that enters the kiln house throughout the lattice windows gives the concrete arches and walls an added agility. At the 16th Venice Architecture Biennale in 2018, the theme of the China Pavilion is our countryside. As an iconic work, the model of the Bingding wood kiln is placed on the main entrance of the China Pavilion, allowing audience from all over the world to see China's traditional ceramic techniques and architectural style. If you have plans to travel to Jingdezhen, China, please leave a message directly or open the link below to contact us.